Before an audio source can be connected to a channel, the channel needs to be attached to a fader. There are two ways to do this, on the access screen and on the fader layout screen. On the access screen, accessing a fader that has no path attached displays the Create Path screen. The available path types are channels, mains, groups, aux outputs, and track outputs. Tap one of the options to attach the path to the fader. The Create Path screen is now replaced by the most recently used processing or routing tab. In this case, it is the Direct Output tab, indicated by the colour of the border which matches the active tab. Multiple paths can be attached to a range of faders by using the Fader Layout screen. Tap Fader Layout to reveal a visual representation of the desk with the fader numbers across the top and the layers down the left. To select an area of desk, tap one of the faders and then extend the selection by tapping and dragging one of the handles either to the left or to the right. Once the required area is defined, tap New to attach paths to those faders. The channel width can be selected and a count of the remaining DSP available is displayed underneath.